Corrugated Road, the old Gibb River Road.
Once you get off the tarmac, you're going to realise that those rough roads up north are going to rattle your gear to bits. So, we start with an Outback Armour suspension kit, but not just any one. We've gone to the top of the range fully adjustable so that Simon can dial it in to suit what conditions he's driving in, and also if he's loading his truck up or it's not loaded, which is very important because what goes on underneath is just as important as what goes on the outside.
So with the D-MAX that came in, we fitted up our All for Adventure kit to it. And with that kit, what we're doing is we're putting in a specialised leaf that was made in development with Jase and Simon. Starting with the big one, which is our leaf. This is our All for Adventure leaf. So as you can see, it actually it's all one stage. So it is designed to take weight and try and be as comfortable as possible from the outset. We also have our bump stops, which is an extended progressive rate bump stop. So it takes up sooner than the factory one and compresses and makes a nice neat ride. We also have our adjustable shocks. Now these also have a bonded bush top and bottom. They work really, really well to adjust to whether the terrain is on the bitumen, on the dirt, on the sand, wherever you're going, they work everywhere.
Yeah, mate?
Yeah, mate, got ya.
She's a bit of a bumpy track, this one.
Yeah, mate. We've got a fair bit of this too, so you might want to get used to it.
Yeah. I might actually have a little play around with the settings on my shocking. How's your ride going, mate?
Yeah, no, mine's good.
It was good? I think I could do with dialing mine up a little bit.
All right, well, I'll do this one. You do the other one.
Roger.
Dial him up a bit. See here, Stewie? You just stick your hand in here, mate. Top of the strut. Like that.
Yep.
And away you go. He's got 20 clicks, 20 settings. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's top. You have the top?
I'll grab the top, we'll get the back.
All right, no dramas.
1.
Dial him up.
Dial them up. Back 2. Done.
Yeah.
So how's it work, Jase?
Yeah, so basically what he's doing there is a couple of dials on each. These ones are at the bottom, the other ones are on the top.
Yep.
And what he can do is he's got 20 settings, so he can dial it right back to 1 and it'll be soft as. So basically changing the valving or the setting, so adding more oil, so you're getting more oil into the valving.
Have a quick look under here whilst I'm under here. Make sure nothing's falling off.
How's old Maxi 2 going, mate?
Mate, Maxi's hardcore. Looking good.
Looking good?